The Lamborghini Huracan is a supercar that was first unveiled in 2014 at the Geneva Motor Show. The Huracan was designed to replace the Gallardo, which had been Lamborghini's best-selling model for over a decade. The Huracan's design was inspired by the hexagonal shapes found in nature, and its name is derived from the Spanish word for hurricane. The car's body is made from a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, and its chassis is designed to provide exceptional handling and stability. The Huracan is powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 610 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, which allows the Huracan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. In 2016, Lamborghini introduced the Huracan LP 582, a rear-wheel drive version of the Huracan that produces 580 horsepower. The LP 582 is designed to provide a more engaging driving experience, with a focus on agility and handling. In 2017, Lamborghini introduced the Huracan Performante, a high-performance version of the Huracan that produces 640 horsepower. The Performante features a number of upgrades, including a new exhaust system, a revised suspension, and a set of lightweight forged wheels. In 2019, Lamborghini introduced the Huracan Evo, updated version of the Huracan that features a number of upgrades, including a new infotainment system, a revised suspension, and a set of new design elements. The Evo also features a number of aerodynamic upgrades, including a new front splitter and a revised rear diffuser. Today, the Lamborghini Huracan is one of the most popular supercars on the market, known for its exceptional performance, handling, and design. The Huracan has also been praised for its luxurious interior and advanced technology features, making it a true flagship model for the Lamborghini brand.